How does rolling tobacco compare to other forms of tobacco use?
Hello, and welcome to our deep dive into tobacco use. Today, we're going to explore how rolling tobacco compares to other forms of tobacco use. This information is crucial whether you're trying to understand the impacts of different tobacco forms or considering quitting. So, let's get started.
What is rolling tobacco?
Rolling tobacco, often called hand-rolling tobacco or loose tobacco, is a form of tobacco that users roll into a cigarette with rolling paper. It's usually less processed than regular cigarettes, which means it often retains more of the original tobacco leaf. It's also typically less expensive than pre-made cigarettes, making it an appealing choice for some users. However, despite these differences, it's important to remember that all forms of tobacco use carry significant health risks.
How does rolling tobacco compare to pre-made cigarettes?
Compared to pre-made cigarettes, rolling tobacco might seem like a safer option because it's less processed. However, this is a common misconception. The fact is, rolling tobacco can deliver just as much, if not more, harmful chemicals into the body as pre-made cigarettes. These include nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. One key difference is that smokers tend to inhale more deeply and more frequently with rolled cigarettes, which can lead to increased exposure to these harmful substances.
How does rolling tobacco compare to other forms of tobacco?
Let's now compare rolling tobacco to other forms of tobacco use like cigars, pipes, and smokeless tobacco. Each of these forms has its own unique health risks. Cigars and pipes. They are not a safer alternative to cigarettes or rolling tobacco. In fact, cigar smokers may spend more time inhaling smoke than cigarette smokers, leading to higher exposure to harmful substances. Smokeless tobacco includes products like chewing tobacco and snuff. While these forms do not expose the lungs to smoke, they still carry significant risks such as oral cancers and gum disease. The bottom line is, no form of tobacco is safe. All tobacco products are harmful and pose significant health risks. In conclusion, while there are differences in the composition and use of rolling tobacco versus other forms of tobacco, it's crucial to understand that all forms of tobacco use are harmful. The best choice for health is to avoid all tobacco products. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of tobacco use. We hope this information has been helpful, and we encourage you to make informed decisions about your health. Stay safe, and until next time, take care.